Hi friends, this is NMK Vijay and welcome to my YouTube channel Stocks of Us. And this is the special video for Nifty and Bank Nifty in weekly time frame positional analysis. So before I think 1 month before or that 15 days back itself, I already uploaded that this kind of video for the positional only for the Nifty. So now it is my view got changed, and that is why I created this video, and my target is going to reach around 20,000 in Nifty. So let's move on to that. Before that, this is my disclaimer. Read carefully each and every line what I had written. So let's move on to this Nifty. It's not SGX Nifty. So what we are doing in the SGX Nifty as a pre-market predictions and compare with that Nifty. So now this is a positional view, and the previous what I did is 1 2. So this is the bigger one, this is the bigger 2, and this is the smaller one, smaller 2, and this is the end of the third, and the corona drop is the end of the fourth, and that fifth way we are in that final fifth way. But it's not looking like that fifth way itself. It's a little bit aggressive movement, and this is not the final way as per my view. So what it could be the next? So first of all, I need to explain this portion. That is why I confused here also. And what I labeled here, it's nearly the third, fourth and fifth, so that it could be the end of the third also in the previous. So 1 2 3 4 and 5, so this could be the end of this 1 2 third wave. So now how I'm looking this as, it won't be like this, it could be here. See, this is the wave 1 is got completed. After this I took this as a third wave, but here 1 2, see, this is the another 1 2 3 4 5 is got completed. So 1 2 3 4 and 5 is got completed, but previous I took it the whole the thing is got third wave. But here itself it seems like 1 2 3 is got ended here, so fourth is got here, and fifth way is ended in the formation of this kind of wedge formation here, because this is the wave 1. So exactly it did that wedge formation here. So 1 2 3 4 5, and this is the end of this third wave, and this is the end of the fourth wave. So 1 2 3 4 5, what we kept this as a here in a daily chart previous, I did this as a triangle here. I know and I remember that I took it this as a triangle. So this is the fourth wave, and this third wave, what we did, this third wave, okay, no issues, this wave is got ended here. So third. So what about that fourth wave then? So this fourth wave, what we are expecting, it's already ended here. So then the fifth wave is also did here. So that means the one complete 5-way structure is going to complete here. Okay, I will unhide. So this one, this is the 2. Okay, 1 2 3 4 and 5 is got completed, and this is then we can make it this as a 4 also, or here also 4, whatever you can do it. And here the fifth wave is already got ended. So that means the wave 1 is got completed, one cycle is got completed. So what I previous expected, this is the third, fourth, and we are in the fifth wave, but this is the wave second got completed here. So now approximately from this swing for the wave 1, it did perfectly the 38.2 retracement for this 02 here. So this is the 38.2 retracement, and again it bounced. So we expected this as a wave 2, but this is the end of one cycle. One 5-way structure is got completed in the wedge formation. So we just do here perfectly 1 3 5 is got ended. So now the 2 and the 4. So these are the exertions here, and again it is did that in that 5-way structure is got completed. So 1 2 is got completed. So we are in the third wave. So we know very well the third wave only do the magic, and the third is the very aggressive. So now we are in that formation. So where it will going to end? So whether thing is you need to understand, we didn't know whether this is the wave 1 or A, wave 2 or B. So if for that the target at least AB is equal to CD pattern, if it is a A wave, B wave I projected nearly first wave 1 is equal to, or wave A B is equal to CD pattern. So 19,600 I am expecting. So this is the one conclusion. This is my view as of now, because the fifth wave won't go this much expanding. I think so, like that. So in my experiences of 5 years in as a forex, but in the Nifty equity, this is my first year completion. So you understand now my target is 20,000, really approximately 19,600 or 20,000. So here also what we are doing, as per this, each swing got the 4,200 points each. Here also the same thing. So from here also, if we kept this as a, see, and I will again explain, because if there are newcomers, so this is approximately the wave 1 length here and above that. So we were doing that same wavelength. If we place this exactly at 18,876, and what we are expecting is above that third wavelength. So it's almost above the wave 1 length. So we are expecting the above wave 1 length. So if we kept this as a above wavelength, the same thing 19,600 approximately. And so we come to a 1-2 conclusion. The one is ABC equal to CD pattern in the bigger time frame. It's nearly the 20,000. And as per this wavelength, we are nearing to that 19,200 to 19,600. And 1 second. Yeah. Now, as per this wave 1 hour, here is the wave 1 is completed, wave 2. So approximately if wave 1 getting rejected in the wave 2, so nearly that above that wave 1 length. So approximately I am expecting the rejection in that 17,200 zone, means that same wavelength of this. One second, I will remove this also. So from here, if we kept a rejection from this zone around a 600 zone, so the rejection is 17,250 zone. So this wavelength nearly to that 19,362. So in all the three conclusion itself, we are getting that 19,000 and above. So this is my target as of now. But later onwards, if it is still bullish, because if this is that weekly analysis, if wave 1, wave 2 and wave 3 is a 1.618, it's a minimum. See, because if it is not a and this is not a B, for this A and B, We are looking for that ABC equal to CD pattern is a nearly 19,300 to 700 zone. But in the case if this is the wave 1, this is the wave 2, and we are projecting that wave 3 nearly 0 to 1 and rejection second 1618 is, one second, there's a lot of confusion is there. 1 second, I will remove all those things. Yeah, from 0 to wave 1 nearly 12,400 and the rejection 7,500. 1618 is 27,278, but didn't know anything about this whether it will reach or not, because in previous what we expected in that if it reached that 77,500, didn't know anything, and what I expected is this could be the end of the trend and we are in that second wave or fourth wave. I am looking for this kind of wave for the fourth wave or in anything if it is a ABC like that. But again, what it happened in 1 year, it nearly reached the 17,500 zone. So this is my view. We are in that either C wave or it could be the third wave. So I'm expecting the projection for the target Nifty nearly 19,300 to 20,000. Okay, so this is my positional view. So let's move on to that Bank Nifty. So sorry, it's everything. Yeah, so in the Bank Nifty, sorry for that guys. So in the Bank Nifty, my weekly count is A B C D E. So this is the B is a triangle here, A B or 1 2 3 4 5. Sorry, it's not a triangle. 1 2 3 4 5 is the leading diagonal of A. So this is the B. Later onwards, see 1 2 3 4 5 is the leading diagonal here. It's a ending diagonal, leading diagonal, ending diagonal. So A, B, and C is got completed. So in the zigzag method, so this is the W and X is got completed. So what is meant by that? The next is the A wave. So we are in that Y wave. So that is why I also expecting whether Nifty is going to make a 1 2 3 4 5 out as an impulsive wave or like this kind of A, B, C, W, X, Y like that. So in that case, and as I said before, we are completed in the weekly analysis also. I explained that this count, so whether this is a wave 1 and wave 2 in the running flat and 3 4 5 is got completed means the A wave of Y is already completed. So we are in the B wave. Whether it is going to make another high and later onwards again it can do like this kind of wave formation here for the running flat for B, or it could be a triangle for the B wave and C wave can shoot nearly 46,000 and above. So for approximately this wavelength and the rejection, so nearly 49,000 to 50,000 for the 786. If it is a wave 1 is equal to means 54,000, but everything it depends upon where we getting rejected this B wave. So whether it, see, my bias is it may reach and it may break this high. So later onwards again this will do like this kind of wave formation for irregular flat. It can go above the 1272 means nearly 39,000. So it can hit the 40,000 also mark. Later onwards I'm expecting this kind of wave formation here for the B, or it could be a running triangle. It could be like this kind of a running triangle also. Later onwards what I'm trying to explain is if it hit the 40,000 and again I'm expecting the three-way structure for the irregular flat formation, or it could be a running a triangle and for the B wave, and then the C wave can be around 50,000 to 54,000. So it's everything I'm looking for the triangle, but it could make an irregular flat form also, or it could break the high of this wave A and even it can break this low also for expanded flat. So in any conditions, we are in the B wave in Bank Nifty. So if we look in the daily chart also, in the auto, yeah, so here it looks like, so whether this is making a 5-way structure or it is making a 3-way structures, it's I already explained that in my weekly. So whether this is a B, C is completed, right? Later onwards, this is the B. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. That is why I drawn here. So whether it is going to hit and then again there is a 3-way structures like this for the B wave, or it could be a triangle for the B wave. It depends upon how the price action is doing here. So this is my view. So my target is we are in the B wave. Once the B wave is completed, then only we are going to reach that C wave of Y wave, nearly 50,000 to 54,000. So I think you understand very well here. So we are in the third way as of now for me. So in any way we are in bullish. That is the damn sure about this. So anyway, we have to reach that 18,200 as my first target. Later onwards, it can move to that 19,600 to 20,000 is my final target for this Nifty. So this is my positional view. I think you took it this as a references, and my previous what I did is now I changed to this view as of now. So that view is got invalid. So now this is my new price action, depends upon that live market. So we have to change, we don't want to stick. So in any conditions, what I'm trying to explain, it's a bullish, that's it. And here it's also, once the wave 5 is completed, then only we come to know whether this is a or 1 or a B or 2, and we are in the C or the third way is going to complete. But even though if it is a third way is going to complete nearly that 19,000 or 20,000, it is only equal to that. And here also the 5-way structure is going to complete. So later onwards we may get the 3-way structures, but it depends upon that structures there after the complete the our target of 19,300 to 20,000 or 19,600, near to that approximately, then we come to know how it is going to be. So, and here also what we are expecting, the wave 1 is bigger than the wave 3, sorry, wave 1 and wave 3 is bigger than the wave 1, and here also I'm looking wave 5 is bigger than the wave 3. So I'm looking like that only, and I have already same kind of price action structures happen in the Zindal also. So this is my view for the positional weekly time frame. So hope this may help you according to your different strategy, and took it this as a references, and I am biased to that 19,300. This is my conclusion for the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So hope you enjoyed, and we will see you in that next pre-market predictions, as well as if I found a time I can make a one time of and I already make a video, and I already made a video for that, how I caught that Astrodium, Excite, as well as the Zeal. So just go and enjoy. It's all depends upon that right education. That's it. Thank you. We will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.